Here I have iPhone Air, and let me show you how to open the desktop version of any website on the following phone. Let's begin. Let's open the Safari right here. From the Safari, let's use the website you would like to open. In my case, it could be Wikipedia. Let's use this button here, right here. Select those three dots, and now you can choose the request desktop website right here. Let's tap it. As you can see, this is the Windows version, the desktop version of the website. You can use it right here. If you would like to go back, let's use the same steps and choose request mobile website, and this is like the mobile website of the following page. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.